Hello friends! In this video, we are going to know about the life cycle of a butterfly. Let's go! First, a female butterfly lays eggs on plant leaves. The eggs can look different depending on the kind of butterfly. Then the eggs hatch, and out comes a caterpillar. Caterpillars love to eat leaves and get bigger really fast. They have multiple body segments, 6 true legs, near the front. Usually several pairs of tiny leg-like things along their belly. After eating a lot, the caterpillar gets ready to change. It makes a special shell called a chrysalis to protect itself. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar turns into a beautiful butterfly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now for more interesting videos.